Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie Rules. This is Vamshi back with another yummy recipe that is egg dum biryani. This biryani is tasty, yummy, spicy, and a little bit more tastier than restaurant one. So let's get cooking. In a pan, add 4 chilies, keeping the flame into high, and add 1 medium ginger. I've chopped all the things and 15 to 20 garlic cloves. So we need to dry roast them till some black spots appear on them. So through this step, our gravy will become a little bit smokier and more tasty. So do not skip this. So I'm going to transfer this all into a small blender and I'm going to keep it aside to cool it down. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, keeping the flame into medium. Then when the ghee get melted, add some whole garam masalas like half teaspoon of shahi jeera or caraway seeds, 5 to 6 peppercorns or kali mirch, 4 to 5 long, 15 to 20 cashew nuts, 1 star resign. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to post the ingredients like the measurements of the whole garam masalas in the description box below. So if you didn't get any of the masala, I'll post the link to from where you can buy it online. So I'm going to roast them and I'm going to add 1.5 cups of chopped onions. Mix all the onions properly and we are going to cook it. The size of the onions is doesn't matters because however you're going to blend it after it get cooked. Add a little bit of turmeric powder for some color. Also 1/4 cup of mint leaves for freshness. Do not skip adding leaves, guys, like the mint. And next we are going to add 1/4 cup of coriander leaves. These both leaves give some flavor to the gravy. Do not skip it. Cook everything together. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. When it get cooked, I'm going to transfer into the same blender which we have added some mixture before. In the blender, I'm going to add some chilled water to adjust the consistency. So just blend it into a smooth paste. Meanwhile, we are going to cook our basmati rice. In 5 cups of water, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of salt in a vessel, keeping the flame into medium high. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Here you can use some ghee instead of oil. I'm going to add a little bit of whole garam masalas to make my rice more flavorful. You can totally skip this step. List of all the whole garam masalas and the link to buy them. I'm going to list them in the description box below. So when the water get a boil, add 1 kg of soaked basmati rice. You need to soak the rice before 1 hour you start cooking the egg biryani. So soaking the rice makes the rice more long and more light and tasty. In meanwhile, in another stove, keeping the biryani andi on medium high flame, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1.5 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, and add some whole garam masalas like 5 peppercorns. You can crush them. And also, I'm going to add half teaspoon of lichin or biryani fool, 1 crushed cardamom, 3 cloves or lavang, and I'm going to add 1.5 cups of thinly sliced onions. Here I'm using red onions. You can also use white. That's up to you. And I'm going to fry them. We need to fry them till they become golden brown. When they become golden brown, we are going to remove them, half of them, so that we can layer it afterwards. And at this point, add the prepared masala. Like we have fried some cashews and onions. Add that masala over here. And we are going to fry them till they become brown. So now you add half cup of curd. You can think that I'm adding the curd 2 times. That's 1/4 cup of measurement, guys. Like 1/4 cup, I added 2 times to make it half cup. Mix it well. To make the gravy more flavorful, I'm going to add that boiling basmati rice, like 10 to 12 tablespoons of it. Add some salt. Here you can check for masalas, like you can adjust the all the spices here. Add some turmeric powder, some chili powder as per your taste. If it's spicy, you can add it more. If you don't eat, add it less. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix it well. Now add half boiled eggs. Yes, half boiled eggs because another half cooking will be done when you dum cook the biryani. So I'm going to gently place them. Here for 1 kg of rice I used 10 eggs. Actually 1 egg I have been broken, guys. Here there are only 9 eggs. So mix it well so that all the masala get catch to the biryani. Gently mix it or else the egg might be break. Now add the fried onions which we have taken before and keep the flame into medium low. Meanwhile, as we are cooking the basmati rice, till now the basmati rice has been cooked to 80%. When they cook 80%, layer the rice. Add half of the rice at a time. When you add that half rice, add a half cup of coriander leaves and some ghee to make the rice more flavorful and flaky. Add another half basmati rice. When you add another half of the cooked basmati rice, add some garam masala to hot ghee and pour it over here as tadka. I'm so sorry guys, I couldn't record that, but you need to add it. And I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of rose water and also 1 teaspoon of kevra water for some flavor. Also 1/8 cup of water of basmati rice which we have cooked it. So don't worry guys, I'll put the link of rose water and kevra water in the description box below, so don't get worried. As we are dum cooking the biryani, we need to seal the steam to come out. So I'm going to seal the corners of the biryani handi with some dough and I'm going to seal it tightly with the lid. And we are going to cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. We will come to know when the rice get over like this, the rice is perfectly cooked. So that's it. Serve it hot with some onions and some lemon and some raita. So don't forget to subscribe my channel FOODY RULZ. Leave a like below if you like my video. So also check my other videos by clicking over here. Thank you.